Hi, y'all. Welcome back to another edition of Yep, That's Me. Cleaning with me, Texas Decor, and more. So, in this video, as you can see, my bedroom is a hot mess express. I've been still in this video taking down Christmas, remnants of Christmas, things left over. I need to get my kitchen clean and organized in this video, and I'll also take you along with me and clean my bedroom as well, getting things ready for the new year. This video was posted a little bit late, but this video was actually filmed on, I believe, New Year's Eve is when I filmed this video. So, yeah, New Year's Eve, I filmed this video, so I'm posting it a little late, but it's because I've been super duper busy. I hope y'all enjoy this video. I hope you had a great start to your new year. Like I said, in this video, my room is a mess, kitchen is a mess. I don't think I showed cleaning the living room in this video, but I'm going to do a video of how my house looks because I'm in the process of redecorating my house back to my regular decor, but I bought a couple of new things, so I'm probably going to do like a tour of my house one day and show y'all all the new things and new decor that I've been putting up. I wanted to get it filmed in this video, but then it would have made the video entirely way too long. So in this video, we're just going to do some cleaning. I'm going to cue the music, and you can clean with me, or you can watch me work my tail off in my house because it was overdue. So here it is, I think the very next morning. And what I'm doing is I needed to get my room clean. I was taking off my Christmas sheets and I put them in the washer to wash them. And I'm putting fresh new sheets on my bed. And I didn't get to it in this video, but if you look to the top, I still have like my Christmas colored curtains up there at the top, and I need to put my regular curtains up still. I still have not done that, y'all. I'm telling you, I've been super, super busy and procrastinating a lot. But I got my butt in gear and I was like, look, this room has got to be clean today. No more putting it off. I want my fresh sheets. You know, it's a new year. Let's do it. Let's get to it. Let's do it. Put all my Christmas stuff up. I did a video prior of taking all my stuff down for Christmas, but I really wasn't all the way done taking my stuff down for Christmas. I showed y'all part of it, but I didn't show y'all all of it. As you see in this video, I had two trees up. In this video, y'all saw me pick one up and I put it up. And so I'm taking my Christmas sheets off the bed, putting regular sheets on the bed, and I still had to go and take off my Christmas shower curtain. And I got a new shower curtain with new rugs that I'm excited to show in another video. So yeah, I'm getting motivated and I'm not procrastinating any longer. And it's like my mind was set, just like get it done. Because if you don't get it done, you're just going to keep looking at it and being disgusted with yourself for not doing it. So the best thing to do is just get it done, get it completely done, get it out of the way, and just do it. And also what you don't see in this video is that I was doing laundry all day in this video. I mean, I know you see me putting up laundry, but I probably washed 5 loads of clothes the day this video was filmed. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and we're going to continue on with the music.